what's up, Glam Fam? If you all want to see how I transform this look into this look, then stay tuned. As you all know, I already had wrapped this dress up, well, this material into a little dress, and then I had to go with a part 2 and show you all how you can flip the look from a dress into a skirt. So you all will see me wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until I get it a little form fitted on my shape. Cause do a little razzle dazzle. And then once I get it all together, you know I gotta get dressed with confidence, which means adding some statement accessories to make the look pop. You can't just wear the outfit. You gotta show them how to wear the outfit. That is the difference between fashion and having style. You have to know how to put the look together, not just put the look on. Do you hear me, girls? Okay, you guys, so let me do my little fashion show, and you all let me know down in the comments which look is your favorite, the wrap as a dress or the wrap as a skirt. And let me know what you all want to see next. As always, thanks for watching, and when you get ready to get dressed with confidence, hit me up. I'm your girl.
I am loved, I am chosen, I am valued, I am amazing, I am the greatest, I am the best. Yes, yes, I am a goddess, I am a queen, I deserve respect, I won't settle for less.